Hi, so this is one of the easier base questions that you would see in the CAT. You have a number in base 10, 1982, and you have to convert it into base 12. Let's use the method that we just did. So 1982, we'll first check for how many 12 cubes are there in this. So what is 12 cube? 12 cube is 1728, and you should know these numbers. It's not something that you'll try and find out in your CAT. You should know what 11 cube, 12 cube till 15 cube is. Okay, so 1728. That means you can remove one complete 12 cube. So 1 is your first digit. Now if you remove 1728 from here, you are left with 254. Now from here, we will look at how many 12 squares, which means 144 can we remove. So that's only 1. So your second digit is 1. Then you are left with 110. From this, how many 12s can we remove? And that is 9. 9 into 12 is 108. So your third digit is 9. You can stop here and mark third option. But anyway, once you remove 108, you're left with 2. So that's your last digit. So your answer has to be option 3. Now this is one way of doing it. It's very easy. You don't need to think a lot. But suppose you already know some basic things. For instance, we know that since we work in base 10, the remainder with respect to 9, what is 9? 9 is 10 minus 1, can be found by adding sum of the digits, right? So for divisibility for remainders, we use sum of digits. If you're working in base 12, the same test will apply for 11, that you will use sum of the digits to see what is the remainder with respect to 11, or whether a number is divisible by 11 or not. So if you see 1982, now I can actually see that 1982 is nothing but 1980, which is a multiple of 11, plus 2, which means the remainder with respect to 11 is 2. So if you add up the sum of the sum of the digits should be 13, right? Because remainder with respect to sum of the digits should be 11 plus the remainder of 2. So this is not 13. This is not 13. Only this option, if you check, will be 13. So your answer is option 3. I hope both the methods were easy. Let's look at the next question.